Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a theme to a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on themes down below, and you can just select a category here like artistic for example, and you can just select a theme that you like. If you want to try different genres, you can find other ones as well, like film for example. You can here once again apply a theme that you like, and you can just simply leave after that and press on save in order to save the theme. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.